Namaskaram. Thank you for visiting our website and showing your interest to participate in the Dhigyan program, a Vedic way of investing and trading program. हमारे गुरुजी कहते हैं वैदिक मार्ग का ज्ञान भूत जीवन सत्कर्म का परिणाम. So अगर if you are on this side and showing interest and get an opportunity to participate in the Dhigyan program, please consider that आपके past life का karma is all good. So thanks for showing interest. But we generally don't take every applications in our program. Generally 1 out of 10 participants get the opportunity to participate in the program, as it is one of the only solutions, only school that teach you to know and learn economics in Vedic way. What you are going to learn in Gurukul is astronomics, economics with astronomy. No one in the industry do teach you that kind of wisdom, this knowledge, not even the highest level of universities or educational system called Harvard, Kellogg Watson or Columbia University. Yeah. So whatever you are going to learn, you are going to learn 100% of economics. But what today's educational system is teaching you is only 50% of economics. As a result, 90 to 95% people are losing money in this market. And it is not a recent phenomenon. It is happening from last 200 years, right? So you, the newest generation or today's generation, if you are considering you were the smartest one, not at all. आपसे पहले हजारों लाखों लोग आए हैं, आपके बाद भी हजारों लाखों लोग आएंगे, right? And you are learning the same old methodologies which does not work. These are called in technical language, it is called laggards. And you are learning all the same technical analysis which really doesn't work in the market. But the way it was been designed, it is been published to you, you consider it works. Take an example of last 200 years. Those are the techniques that are available from last 200 years and it's not been working. 95 to 99% people are losing money and you are learning the same old techniques. Now, why it is not been working? You need to know that, right? It is not been working just because it is only the 50% of the market behavior. Where is the other 50%? I am talking to you, all the Ivy League universities, all the renowned universities. Because whatever we are studying at this moment is a wrong direction, is the result. Now, being a trader, investor, or finance professional, are you going to work on the result part or you are going to work on the reasoning part? Definitely, being a trader will be more interested to learn the reasoning part than the result part. And where is this reason? Reason lies with time. And please don't misunderstand. Time doesn't mean astrology. When we learn time with econometric model, econometric calculation, we call it astronomic. Economics with astronomy. And astronomy is a very, very different aspect than the astrology. Astrology just is one of the dimension of astronomy, right? So please apply in our Gurukul. Definitely you will get the opportunity. You are one of the smartest one. But generally in our Gurukul, only 1 out of 10 application gets shortlisted to join this Dhigyan program. And I'm sure you are one of them. So please connect our counselor and see if आपके भूत जीवन की सत्कर्म कर्मा सही है. Then definitely you will get the opportunity to participate in this program. Thank you.